Identity theft can turn your life upside down in an instant. Fraudulent charges, accounts you didn't open, even crimes committed in your name. You spend hours calling banks, filing reports, and disputing charges. But the real question remains: who did it? And how do you prove it? That's where a private investigator comes in. A professional investigator doesn't just try and confirm fraud. They build a case. They trace financial activity, uncover digital evidence, and identify the person behind the crime. They can document everything, preserve critical evidence, and work alongside your attorney to strengthen your position. In many cases, they can even locate assets and uncover whether the person responsible can be held financially accountable. Don't fight it alone. Get answers. Get evidence. Get results. Contact Taylor Payton Investigations for help.